morning. To my former Governor Jose Chavez Alvarez, I did, and we did support you as a governor, and we did also support you as a congressman. Please support us and me to my advocacy. Divorce Pilipinas is now in second reading, going to third reading. As I support you and I voted you to our former governor and now Congressman Jose Chavez Alvarez, please support uh, our advocacy. It is now going to a third reading. And to our fellow advocates, laban lang po tayo and be open-minded. Alam natin maraming anti-divorce dyan. Pero papalapit na tayo, tsaka okay na ito. Ito na yung pinaka laban talaga natin. And sa mga anti-divorce naman, meron din po kaming human rights at naunawaan po rin natin na lahat po tayo nangangailangan din ng kapayapaan sa sarili. Marami talaga dito sa Pilipinas ngayon na naghihiwalay pero hindi naunawaan bakit sila nagsama at bakit sila naghiwalay.